Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Samsung TV to Alexa Echo Dot. Let's go. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install SmartThings app. Devices. Samsung device. Add. TV. Add your Samsung TV to the SmartThings app. After that, open the Alexa app. Devices. Add device. TV. Samsung. No. Yes. Next. Next. Add to group. Continue. Down. Linked Alexa devices. Select your Echo Dot. That's it. Now you know how to connect Samsung TV to Alexa Echo Dot. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.